Hello, today's challenge is a sweet and simple set of operations. Some of you will be very familiar with them, but let's go ahead and do this. So Dia today wants to welcome using the Scratcher's name. How you're going to do this? There is a way in the sensing code to find out who is the user on the Scratch right now who is viewing this project. The last block on sensing, username. And how do you use username? Can you see it as this oval block? So it can be used either directly in say like this. So it will just say the username. But we don't just want to say it. We want to say welcome to my project. So we are going to use another operator. So far we have seen random being one of our most favorite operator to use. We are going to look at join today. So what join does, it actually connects words. Most of these operators which we have on top, these work on numbers. The operators at the bottom, these four, they work on words, which is also known as a string in computer language. Now join, it joins two words. So we have written here, welcome to my project. Remember to give a space, because if you don't give a space, it's not going to assume one. And then you put username here. And then inside the say block, it will fit right in there. So remember, connect. It's always easy to connect a block on its left. And you will see the girl will be able to welcome, says, welcome to my project. Let's say it for longer so you can see it. And it says the Scratch ID name. Now we will do a few more operations today. Next, the girl goes on to ask, can you help me with what is the date today? Now remember, we don't want to hard code the date. Now hard code is a lingo. It is something which we use in coding terminology. That means we don't want to say that today's date is 9th May 2021. Because if somebody was to run this project 1 week later, this date will not be correct. Instead, what you want, pretty much every digital device, if you're running this on a computer or on a mobile, there is a time function there. Every programming language, including Scratch, it provides a way to get that time. How do we do that in Scratch? Come to sensing. And again, we are really looking at these bottom set of blocks today. You can see there's something called current year. If you bring it and you click on this down arrow, you will see it has everything: year, month, date, day of the week, hour, minute, second, everything. If you want to form a full date, something like 9/5th month /2021, the year, we are going to use join. And we are going to put current date, and then we're going to put, I'm duplicating and saying current month. Now what? We have run out of, we still want to put the year. How do we do that? We are going to take another join block. Now to the left of the join block where it is written apple, we are going to put this join. And to the right where it is written banana, we are going to take this current year. So I can either duplicate or drag it from there and put it here, current year. And we can put it inside the say block. We will do that, but just let's click on it to see what it gives. Okay, it does give the date, but it's so difficult to read. It just looks like, some number which is of 6 digits. It looks more like an OTP than a date. We want the date to look like a date. So what do we do now? We have to add something like a slash, or let's add a slash there. We're going to use many more joins. So we'll take another join, and first we will do is we will take date and join it a slash, and we will put it here. So now if you click on it, it is 8/5. So you have to continue doing this till you get the full date in a proper manner. And then you can use the say block and put it all together here. This is called format. When you give a proper structure to something, it is called formatting. Extended assignment. I do want you to go ahead and also display the time. Now there's one more important thing which I want you all to do. I want you to use variables. You have used variable for scorekeeping. We are now going to look at using variable to store strings, words. What I want you to do, so we are going to ask a question. How do we ask a question in Scratch? There is this set of blocks, ask and the answer. So we ask, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? And the answer comes in this. And we are going to make a variable called favorite color. And what we're going to do is you're going to set favorite color to answer. Now what happens is this ask, when I click on this, it shows this text box. It's a pretty primitive kind of text box, but yeah, this is all what we have in Scratch. So what's your favorite color? And if I was to say yellow, this favorite color variable, if you look at it, it has stored yellow in it. I want you to ask 2 to 3 more questions, make different variables, store it, and then make a nice sentence showing all of this answer. So I will wait to see some interesting question answers and a sentence, form a sentence using joins and show that. This is a very simple assignment today, but if you understand these concepts, they will be very useful to you